Pick that here.
Hi, Chef Wonderful here. Why am I so passionate about cooking? You know, when you think about business, it's so binary. It's so black and white. Either you make money or you lose money. But when you go into cooking, it's almost like the arts. It's chaos. It's a wonderful mismatch of colors and flavors and foods from all around the world. You cannot believe how spectacular this has turned out. Oh my goodness! It reminds me of the streets of Montreux. I finally got it right. This is exactly how it looked when I met it in 1973. It's going to be spectacular. I go to the local places where people eat, not where the tourists are. I want to savor those incredible delicacies. I want to find out what spices are in them and how the cooks make them. That's how I found out about Sous Vide, the most incredible way to cook meat.
Oh, this is by mail? This you knew
Yes,
by mail?
this is Chef Wonderful.
May I try it?
Yes, you can. This is a tenderloin, 3-tip, 2.7-ounce roast.
Oh my God, it's amazing.
Magnifique.
Did you make this?
Yes, I did. My real job as Chef Wonderful is to curate the world for food. I don't care if it's the best chocolate in the world. I know where to get it. Where's the best Almond, beautiful almond cakes made? Well, I know how to make them the way they make them in Switzerland on the streets of the pastry shops of Montreux. That comes from my youth. And I build these back, I curate them and bring them to you. I try and find the most amazing foods, the best wines, the most incredible desserts, and I bring them all back for you. Why? I'm doing it for my family, and I love to do it. So let's do it together, I say. That's what Chef Wonderful is all about.